2014 Nissan Maxima. Remove the alternator without having to remove the AC compressor. Kind of a little pain in the ass, but I got it. Everything else still intact. AC compressor still in this place, still bolted. What I did, I just took the two bolts out. A little bit time consuming. With the reservoir, brought it out straight through this way right here. We see this gun. Only remove one hose. And brought it straight up to the top. Removed that like that. And come right on out of there. Alright. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Bye. I will be installing back in.